Here I have a simple database in Access 2016. Let's take a look at the query. Right-click, Design View. As we get a little bit older, it gets harder to see the font size. So let's increase the font size in Design View and also in SQL View, which is located lower right-hand corner. Again, I'd like to increase the font size. To do that, all you do is File, Options, Object Designer. Under Query Design, select the size you'd like. I'll choose 16 and OK. You will have to close the query, and let's reopen it. Right-click, Design View, and it did change. Let's take a look at SQL View. You can do it in the lower right-hand corner, or you can do it Design and upper left-hand corner, View, SQL View. The font size did change. It's as easy as that.